friends, good morning. Welcome to Mytre's kitchen. So today recipe is a sweet recipe which can be made just in 15 to 20 minutes. So any guesses by seeing the ingredients, what is this sweet for the day? Yes, so today we are going to do a sweet with our in-house vegetable, which is our pumpkin halwa. This is a very simple and yet an yummy and delicious sweet recipe. The main ingredients is of course our pumpkin. I have taken the yellow pumpkin, peeled off the skin and grated. Along with sugar, I have taken 250 grams of pumpkin. I have taken 1 cup of sugar. You can add the sugar as per the sweet level. 2 tablespoons of ghee, cardamom powder, saffron added in little milk, boiled milk, along with a glass of boiled milk. So these are the main ingredients that is needed to do our yummy delicious sweet, which is our pumpkin halwa. So let us walk into our recipe. The first step to do our pumpkin halwa is I have taken a non-stick pan on the gas and kept in a low flame. I am going to add the grated yellow pumpkin little by little. There will be water content in the pumpkin, so still it gets evaporated. We need to keep on frying it in low flame. You can find the pumpkin is nicely getting cooked. You can find all the water is evaporated. You can find every water is evaporated. So still the water gets evaporated. Keep it in low flame and keep on frying it slightly. At this stage, once the water is completely evaporated, add the boiled milk so that pumpkin gets cooked more well. I'm just going to add half a glass of boiled milk. Mix it well and keep it in low flame. Let it get cooked for next 5 minutes. You can find our pumpkin is nicely getting boiled. You can find all the milk is getting evaporated. At this stage, I'm going to add half a cup of sugar. You can add the sugar as per the sweetness you wanted. So give a quick stir. So you can find once we added the sugar, again we get the water content from the pumpkin. So you need to keep on stirring it and cook it in low medium flames until the water gets completely evaporated. You can find again the water has come out. So keep on stirring it. You can find our pumpkin is nicely boiled. So now at this stage I am going to add the saffron which is added in the boiled milk. You can find the difference in the color. So I am just going to add it. As the saffron is got added, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee along with half a tablespoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well and keep it in low flame and mix it well. It will change the color and it will become more thicker. You can find our pumpkin halwa is almost ready. It's completely come out very nicely. If you want it, you can add cashew nuts and raisins. I am not going to add it. This itself looks very delicious and yummy. So I am just going to make it very simple. So let us have it displayed. You can have this served either hot or cold. So now it is ready to be served. Here goes our hot pumpkin halwa. It's a very yummy and delicious dish which can be made with our in-house vegetable. So please do try this recipe. Watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye-bye.